It's a full interior?
Full freaking interior.
Oh, Paulie, you're not wearing socks?
Yeah, I know.
Hello lads, Rad Performance here, and today we are standing in a field with a rusty, forgotten piece of American muscle history, a 1977 Pontiac Trans Am factory 400 4-speed car. The body has definitely seen better days, and the metalwork ahead could be brutal, but hiding inside is something you don't see every day. An unbelievably cool white and powder blue interior that survived way better than the outside. So the big question is this rare Trans Am worth saving, or is the rust finally going to win? And guys, please make sure to subscribe if you like projects just like this one.
Oh,
So
man.
the floor pan's gone.
Yeah.
But he has the Hearst shifter.
God, isn't that
It's a full interior?
full freaking interior?
That's fine. Simple interior.
Lord. It is gorgeous. Even the headline is here. Put some glue on it. Slap
Can
it
I
back
just
up.
see what kind of headline it
Oh
is?
my God, look at that dash.
Oh, it is the foam one.
Oh, it's beautiful.
We'll go to Augie.
There's no cracks inside the
We'll go to Augie.
dash.
Yeah. See, these pieces are still here?
Yeah.
So these pieces are good too,
Yeah,
because
no,
this
all
is
the
what's
little
worth
stuff
it.
is there.
The bottom of that, but that I understand. All that shit's rotted. And the fucking seats, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
and that
Paulie, you're
feels
not
just
wearing
like-
socks?
Yeah, I know. We're going.
Okay. It works
Love
though.
it. I think the shift linkages are a little bit.
It could be.
But it's neutral. It's neutral.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my God.
Don't put it. I don't want it to be stuck in gear.
No, they physically can't. That's just like John. Freaking. Oh my God.
So what are these called?
God.
F bodies. Yeah. See what I like
Second
is
gen
this too,
F-body.
Paulie. Look, he has the chrome.
Yeah.
He has the chrome. I don't know. Like I would love to.
It's amazing.
I mean, I love to take it and then be like, you know what?
I see that
Let's strip it
interior,
and
I'm like,
pressure
oh,
wash
yeah,
it.
that's it.
But my assumption is the motor's.
Yeah.
Then I would learn on the tranny. I would do the tranny. I'd pull
Yeah.
it all apart and get the kit, and I would overhaul it.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't pay anybody. I would just get the shit. So it was the white and light powder blue. See the seatbelts? It's like on the
Yeah.
caddy. But he has everything. The sill plates are just about oxidized off, but he has this though.
No, look at
You
that.
can't
Isn't
argue
that
with it. Oh,
amazing?
shit. Sorry. But he has the Hearst shifter still, man. You know what makes this car?
6.6.
Yeah. You know what makes this car is the interior.
The interior makes the whole
And the
car.
window's not broken in
It's
the back.
beautiful. It's not broken. It doesn't
Yeah.
look like
The windshield's easy.
the windshield. Yeah,
Because you got to, I'll tell you the truth, we have to take them out because they're all fucking rotted.
yeah, you'd have
So
to
we gotta
paint the
take 'em out.
channels.
Yeah.
You're right.
At least the front anyway. See this, we could fix this like we did on the IROC.
You could put it down. Yeah, do the puller.
Fix this,
Accelerate.
fix everything here.
Yeah.
Just the front and the radiator support is the bad part.
Yeah.
But I mean, maybe we could fix it instead of getting another one. But I'd have to Bondo the shit out of the quarter panels.
Yeah.
'Cause
Actually,
I
what's the
wouldn't.
funny thing is they make that piece.
That
just
piece?
a little lower piece.
Then maybe I would.
It's that you can get on eBay.
Because I don't think the
you just lay it
rockers.
right over it.
I don't think the rockers are bad.
No, yeah.
You know what I mean? So if the rockers aren't
Honestly,
bad,
just cut that out,
yeah.
spray it inside, and then we just put the piece right over it and stitch
Yeah.
weld it. It's probably like $80 for that piece
Like
online.
to me, I wouldn't even buy these.
Yeah.
Like
no.
I'd
The
leave it.
truth is, it's good enough. Yeah, we can
No,
use
I would
fiberglass
just-
resin.
No, I would just either fix them or not put them on.
Yeah.
Like
exactly.
don't put on all the gaudy
You don't
shit
have to do
because
it
I
all.
think it's missing it here anyway.
Yeah, that's the thing. You save the money. You take all that off, and you just
And just
paint it
put
white.
Trans Am with
Yeah.
that and
You
just
have the
these.
scoops, which is
Yeah,
more you want.
I don't need all the other gaudy shit.
You don't need everything.
But I just don't like, I really don't have 16 to waste, but I would for like the potential. Because to me, I see the front goes into that because it would be
Yeah.
empty. Okay, well that's okay though. I mean,
Yeah, that's why. I mean, this fender, it is savable though.
oh no, the offender is savable. Even this, see, everything's fucking dented. But
At least
this I
for-
would leave. I would take this. Yeah, I'd fix it.
Right.
I'd take this
Yeah.
off and hammer it
Yeah,
because it's an
hammer it out.
original GM fender.
Yeah, you're right.
There's no way. I wouldn't. I'd fix every fucking thing. I'd fix everything, put it on the dolly and the seesaw, and just fix every panel at its own. When it gets close enough, assemble it and put the high build primer.
Yeah, exactly.
That's all. I would cover it all up. Because look, it's not even rotted down there.
It's actually in very good shape.
Yeah.
You're right.
So this door, yep, the mirror's here.
Okay.
Oh, this side right here.
Oh
The
man.
whole quarter's gone.
I mean, they sell quarters, but yeah.
No, but it
Holy
goes into the
crap.
window channel. See
Yeah,
it?
that's something. Wow.
And I have no faith we'll be able to take the window out without cracking it.
We'll see.
So this is the big fucking right here. See, if I didn't look, this is the bad.
Yeah.
There is no fixing.
This is, yeah, we have to do the quarter.
But he has the mirrors, mirror on both sides. He has that. Shit. Okay. Does that door open? I just want to see if it functions.
Could be locked.
I think it's locked. I don't hear it unlatching.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's fine.
It's just,
That means that the trunk is a nightmare.
yeah, John's trunk's a nightmare too.
Is it? It's all rotted.
Yeah, it's bad. I guess with the water, the design of the water passing.
Yeah. Also, Paulie,
It literally gets
this thing
destroyed.
sat in somewhere. What I don't like is the chrome is gone.
Yeah.
That's what I don't like, unless it's in the trunk. But I don't have faith it would be.
Yeah.
That's what I want. See what happened to this?
Yeah.
The rain guard is missing, right?
Yeah. Messes up. There could be more wrong.
So this has to be changed because of the quarter piece. See, it's all
Yeah.
banged. So I have to do the quarter
Yeah, you just do one.
just to get the edge.
Quarter.
Yeah, I don't think that right there makes it not worth it. But realize all the glass, except for the windshield, are they power windows?
It's luckily cheapest.
They're power windows. Oh my God, look the other side. Okay, throw this thing down. We got to get these mats, man. Close the door. Yep. Oh man, it closes pretty good too. You could throw down the rubber membrane. So let's get him back, and then we'll put the tires back, and then he's good to go. So this is the correct hood. That whole hood is correct. It just has to be stripped.
It's pretty flat.
So you don't even care about that because the edges, so it only has this. That's the correct hood, and I have 2 hood scoops. All the rust. Look how strong the fender is. I wouldn't put a China one. And kept that, banged the crap out of it, and straightened it. It's just original metal, man. It's nothing wrong with it. Like we did. The problem is then it's like the Impala. Oh look, John's hood. Look at that. That's John's hood. You got to see if he has one. He needs one right here.
This is a lot better shape than one he has.
So this is where you guys, the fans of Rad Performance, come in. Do we take on this massive project, or do we just let it pass? We like to say there is no such thing as an unrestorable car. So if you guys believe that with us, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and share it to all your friends, because if this video blows up, we are for sure buying this car, and you're going to watch us how we restore it right here in our own backyard on Rad Performance.
Y'all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe